for your first ever autocross lap. Are you excited? Yeah? All right.
All right. Oh yeah. Are you breathing hard?
So what do you think? All right, second session. This is going to be laps 4, 5, and 6. We got Dane in the truck with us right now. Matt out here just relaxing, enjoying the breeze.
Hell yeah.
28.5.
Hell yeah.
Hell yes, dude.
I mean, if you're okay with not wearing it.
Alright, first afternoon session. Got Greg in the truck this time.
Hello.
Alright, well I guess we're just gonna have some fun runs.
We going crazy.
Right. We're running out of time today. Got Mike in the truck with us. This is your first time riding with me?
This is the first time riding with you.
Okay. I have ridden with Mike. First time riding with me. Woo! 28.3, yeah! Woo! But we got Eddie from A&B.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
It's his birthday today too.
Yes, I'm getting a birthday run.
What is it? The 10th 38?
This is my 10th 38th birthday in a row.
Wow, wow.
Well, damn.
Wait, for a truck, right?
Whoa. All right, we got a new victim from Gas Monkey Garage. You gonna have fun? Yeah. All right.
Alright, so we had to change the course back the other direction. We're doing fun runs now. Got Jennifer in the truck with us. How was that?
That was cool.
Alright. Freddie getting ready to just completely abuse this truck for the first time ever. Alright, so I might not set the world on fire, but we're in Freddie's truck right now.
Yep.
Got Jason from Gas Monkey in here with me. So Jason and Jason. Johnson and Johnson. Oh crap, we're good. Let's go! Oh, got that cone. Oh, got that cone.
Dude, let me tell you something. I'll be shocked if that isn't a sub 30-second run.
I got 2 cones on
Well,
that.
okay. Not counting the cone.
All right, we got Josh, Gas Monkey, you with us? Yeah.
About to go do a run.
The turbo automatic, dude, but it still works though.
I think that was actually a pretty good run.
Yeah, it was another 30.
Yeah.
I was hoping for a 29,
Yeah.
but well, it's way too late.
That was your best run yet.
Yeah, that gave it up in a bunch of spots though. It's got a 29 in it.
Yeah.
All right, so final lap. It looks like I'm actually the last truck to run too.
Right?
Got Jeff fisted in the truck.
Oh, wait, we got the GoPro on?
Yes.
All right. Let me get this situated.
But yeah, final lap of the day. Sitting in first.
Sitting in first by over half a second. 6/10, dude.
Nothing to prove other than, is there a 27 that's out there?
Hey, man. It's going to be awesome.
Woo! Let's go! Made it up until the end.
Holy shit, that was awesome.
And still a 28.8.
Wow.
gonna tell you to do something dumb.
Right? It was
Wow.
awesome. Sabotage is the bomb. Can't wait for our truck. What is her name? One sexy bitch.